Hi, I'm Tatiana from the Dolly Insider, and today we're going to make a cute little bunny pillow using our Cuddly Bunny Pillow pattern. This project is perfect for beginners, anyone who wants to practice sewing curves, or anyone who just loves bunny decor. Honestly, that last one is reason enough. So grab your materials and let's get started. Trace the bunny shape onto one piece of fabric. Then take the two pieces of fabric right sides together and pin. Next, sew on the line. Trim the seam allowance to 1/8 of an inch, but leave 1/4 of an inch open at the bottom. Clip all around the seam allowance. Don't forget to make a diagonal clip near the ears. Fold and press the seam at the bottom opening. Turn your bunny right side out and give it a gentle press if your fabric allows. Grab your polyfill and start stuffing. Use a ladder stitch to close up the opening. And there you have it, your very own Cuddly Bunny Pillow. This project is great for all skill levels, and every bunny you make is going to turn out uniquely yours, and that's what makes it so special. Drop a comment below and let me know what pattern you'll like to see me make next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for being here. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next one.